Namaskar to all of you. Hopefully you all are very good and doing great in your life. This question comes million times in my mind, that what's the point to living for the sake of living of this body? There is no point for the sake of living only this body, because if you see the all other creature, what they are doing, they are born, they grow up, they die, they sleep, eat, sleep, reproduction, and human being also still doing the same. But to earn their livelihood, what they are doing very easily, we are doing it with such a fuss, such a tension, such a stress and everything, with such a big brain. If we are earning only our livelihood, only our survival, then what's the point of living? No, don't getting me wrong, I am talking about the bigger perspective. When you born as a human, when you have such a big brain, when you have realized the truth of the life, you have the profound vision of life, then if you not make something worthwhile out of that, what you get by birth, this body, this mind, emotion and whatever we got by birth, if we not make something worthwhile out of it, then what's the point? We should have a one direction purpose and a larger and holistic vision for everything and everyone around us, which can serve maybe thousands, hundreds, millions or billions of people all over the world. When you have the true realization of the truth, it is very much important for me. What I feel is, you make something worthwhile out of your own life. You should make this birth or human being, what you got, as an instrument to service to another life, to another human being in this world. You should see that how you can contribute to this humanity, how you can contribute to make this world a better place of living in peace, harmony and living in humanity, compassion, love, everything. This is very much important. Otherwise, if you not do this, you will not have not dignity, you will lose dignity to yourself, and it is very much bad when you have lost dignity to yourself. When you don't have capability, you lost the capability to talk with you in eye to eye, then you really lost the whole point of living. So this is very much important. Don't live for the sake of the living. Make a purpose, make a vision, what you have realized, and make that spread that awareness, rise that awareness, because it is very much it is very much important to find a purpose, a sense of living, because if you are doing what you don't want to do, then really it is burden for you. Find that thing, that what you can do very joyfully, very playfully, and what you can do 24 hours time. You will not feel bored, you will not feel burdened. That is just like a play for you. Find that thing, that what you want to do, that which is like very easy for you. You can do it 24/7, all month, all year, whole your lifetime. Make that one thing which you can do, that will contribute to the growth of the humanity, and which have a profound, inclusive and holistic vision. So this is very much important. The most important thing in life is, you should have very much respected conversation with yourself, because if you feel guilt in conversation with yourself, then really you lost everything. So this is what I feel to share. This question comes in my mind, so I think I should share it. Thank you so very much for watching, and find a purpose, a holistic and profound and inclusive purpose is for your growth and growth for the everyone. So thank you so very much. Love you all. Namaskar.